Hello, my name is Margarita Watkins and I will be demonstrating how to assess the 1-mile jogging test and the walk test. You will require a scale, pencil and paper, appropriate running clothes, one of the following: a stopwatch, phone timer, or heart rate monitor, and lastly, access to a 400-meter track. A 5 to 10-minute warm-up session should be completed before either test, including dynamic stretches. After completing both tests, a proper cool-down should be performed along with static stretches. The jogging test is appropriate for 18 to 29-year-old men and women. Heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. This is not a maximal test, though the subject is encouraged to complete the test as quickly as possible. The mile should be accomplished at a comfortable pace, establishing a good pace within the first 2 or 3 minutes. The test should be completed within a minimum of 8 minutes for men and a minimum of 9 minutes for women. Heart rate should be taken immediately after completing the test, either by taking the radial or carotid pulse. In this case, I took my radial pulse. The pulse is taken for 15 seconds, then multiplied by 4, yielding an estimation of total beats per minute. The 1-mile walking test is appropriate for 20 to 69-year-old men and women. This test is particularly good for older and sedentary populations. In this particular test, the participant, and in this case myself, must complete the test as quickly as possible without running. Immediately after completing the test, I will take my heart rate by using the radial sight and counting the number of pulses during a 15-second period and multiplying by 4. The 1-mile jog test formula is as follows. VO2 max is calculated by 100.5 minus 0.1636 times body weight in kilograms minus 1.438 times time in minutes minus 0.1928 times heart rate in beats per minute plus 8.344 and the gender of the individual, in this case female, so I would input a 0. To obtain the seconds in minutes, divide the seconds obtained by 60 seconds, which will yield total time in minutes. My VO2 max for the 1-mile jog test is 47.19 milliliters per kilogram per minute. The 1-mile walk test is as follows for VO2 max. 132.853 minus 0.0769 times body weight in pounds minus 0.3877 times age in years plus 6.315 times gender, in this case female, so input a 0, minus 3.2649 times time in minutes minus 0.1565 times heart rate in beats per minute. My VO2 max for the 1 mile walk test was 44.51 milliliters per kilogram per minute. According to ACSM's fitness category for maximal aerobic power, I would be classified in the good category. Thank you for watching on how to assess the 1 mile jog test and the 1 mile walk test.